Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on Non-Moodle skill development program. I hope you all are enjoying and learning through my videos. This video demonstrates how to work with an exit strategy to make a machine distribute parts among its successors within the production line. As a rule, you will use an exit strategy instead of default transfer behavior when the secret of operation does not uniquely designate the next station that handles the part. To start modeling, to build a production line by inserting a source, several instances of the station and a drain. We then connect them. To better detect the difference in behavior, we increase the processing time of station 2 to 4 minutes. We want the station to transfer certain percentage of the parts. It is processed to the machine succeeded in the line. We want 20% of the output to go to successor 1, the station name station 1, 30% to successor 2, the station name station 2, and 50% to successor 3, the station name station 3. To do so, we open the station, click the tab Exit and select the strategy percentage. We then click Apply. Now we can open the list and type in the percentage. The first successor receives 20%, second successor receives 30%, and the third successor receives 50% of the parts. To realize the distribution of the parts regardless of the individual states of the successor, we have to select blocking behavior to find out which is the first connected station. We place the cursor over the connector between station and station 1. This opens a tool tip showing the successor number of the stations and the predecessor number of the station 1 of the connector. To be able to check the percentage more easily, we open the source on tab attribute, select number adjustable and enter an amount of 1000 parts. Run the simulation. After a few seconds of simulation run will be finished. Then we can check the result. We select the station by dragging the marker key over them. We then press F6 to open a statistic report. The number of entries reflect the desired percentage of 20%, 30% and 50% out of 1000 parts. Now we can also check the effects of non-blocking behavior. The clear blocking in the station, it only moves the part to those successor which can accept one. Now we can run the simulation again and check the statistic reports. We see that the number of entries differ with the desired percentage because station 2 has a longer processing time than the other stations. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.